So Melissa with Driving with Melissa is going to be assisting us in this procedure today. I see you have the essential tools in hand.
I do. I got my toolbox and my line.
Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage. I'm James.
And I'm Kurt.
And today we are going to do a quick video on how to replace your air filter, your engine air filter on your GMC Sierra or Denali 1500. This is the 6.2 liter and this is a 2022 truck. Really quickly, we did get an estimate from the dealer when we had it serviced because it's still in warranty and I paid for the service plan. Otherwise, of course, we would do it ourselves. But the dealer quoted to replace this air filter, it's $86.75.
That's with labor?
Yes,
without?
that's total replacement.
Okay.
And then what we paid for the part itself was $41.33 plus tax. So
At the dealer?
Yes, I went and bought this from the parts department at the dealer. So we're saving 50% basically by installing it ourselves.
And we could probably save more by shopping the filter around for an aftermarket filter.
Yes, and there's a good chance there'll be a
Link below.
link below for you to order your own filter for your GMC truck. Let's get started.
So the tools you're going to need for this project is an 8mm socket. You could get away with using a Phillips head screwdriver for these particular screws, but I would recommend an 8mm socket. An extension, probably a 6 to 8 inch extension, which we'll have some in these pictures. We have an electric drill that we use, a reversible drill, battery powered drill, which makes it super easy to do. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to it.
A flashlight would help.
That's true.
And depending on your vertical situation, you may need a ladder.
You probably will need a ladder.
Probably need a ladder.
And you need an assistant.
Yeah, let's find one.
Yes.
Come on over.
Come on over, assistant.
Should I leave my line?
This is a wine assistant, first off.
Between us. Today we've got Driving with Melissa that just happened to be
Nearby.
having refreshments. And so to show how simple this is, although she's very proficient at this stuff, we're going to let her change this filter out. Let's get to work.
The engine air filter is under this black box. It's on the driver's side of the pickup under the hood. So there's 3 screws you have to take out. Once you've done that, you'll push and lift. It's really easy. Lifts right up, and you'll see the engine air filter underneath. And just grab the corner of it and pull it out. It's kind of gross. Stick the new one in. And you'll see these little tabs, they go right in. You just kind of line it up. So when you're doing this, be sure you don't drop the screws down into the engine compartment. You'll never see them again. Well done. And watch your head. That's all there is.
All right, so that covers replacing the engine air filter on your GMC 1500, at least the 6.2. I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty much the same thing in a lot of the other GMC or Chevrolet lines. And it saved us, what did I say, about $45 or so.
Yep.
So, yeah, get your wife to replace yours. That'll go great.
So your labor rate is how much? It was 5 minutes worth of work, $45.
I'm not sure we saved anything. Well, thanks, Driving with Melissa, for helping us out.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys for watching. As always, please, if you got any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Facebook and Instagram.
Oh, yeah. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Full Octane Insurance is one also. That's another one that supports the channel along with Driving with Melissa.
There, you got a plug. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. We'll see you soon. Okay, so that will cover replacing the...
That'll be the engine air filter. Melissa?
The engine air filter.
Thank you.
3 screws.
3 screws, 3 morons.
Okay, that'll cover...
Okay, 2 morons and somebody.
Stop laughing.
Bloopers.
All right. Nope. I was so close. All right, here we go.
Okay.